how to set up a core and a core return in the IM3 system. So for this example, we're going to use our test system. Basically, you want to go into Manage Inventory and search for your main part. So I will use the number 25-35465, and it'll probably come up here. I'm going to use the RM. So I go into here and I'm going to expand all my panels at the bottom, and I want to pay attention to the supplemental part section. And notice that there are no records found. So what I want to do is add my core first. Search here, do 25-3546500RMC. I want to put a quantity start of 1, an increment of 1, and for this core I have one core for this. Max limit 999. You can change whatever the unit price will be. I want to select add in sales order, add in work order, and also add in purchase order. And notice that the action I selected, which I forgot to go over, is issue, which is correct. And then we can review that in the next one. The next thing I want to add is the return part, which will be under -R. Now this is the core return, and same thing here, quantity start of 1, increment of 1, quantity of 1, max limit, you just put 99999, and the action here becomes a core return because this is not something we want to issue. And you want this to be in a sales order and a work order, but not on a purchase order. And again, you can put in whatever the unit price is for this core return. And you click submit. And that's all you really need to set up the core and the core return under the main starter part. Now let's see how this carries over onto a sales order. So we'll go into IM3, sales order, and manage sales order. And let's just start a new one. So start the sales order by just putting in my customer. Click save. And then I can scroll down to the bottom and start adding my parts. So I'm going to add my main part here, the RM. And once I add this onto the sales order, it'll automatically add the core as well as the core return, which you see here is -30. Well, let's take this over onto the invoice side. So we're going to change the status to open, click save. We're going to generate the pick ticket for this and issue out the parts. I can either do this with my scanner by using the document that uploads, or for this example, I'll do it on the computer. I'll go into warehouse, issue product, and I have my 2 parts that I will issue. Once you select the top, it automatically selects the bottom as well, or the core part, issue. Go back to the sales order and refresh your screen. And notice that it's still under open status, but if you scroll down here, the 2 items have been issued. At this point, I want to take my status, close it, click save again, and now I have a new icon that says generate invoice. Click onto that, and I have my invoice. I can confirm everything here. It didn't add my core return charge. And on the printout, I'm going to put in my reference number as well. Click save. And let's print invoice with notes and letterhead. And on the printout here, it will show you two parts and also the credit memo of the return. And if you need to remove anything on this, notice I just still kept it on open and I haven't sent it to QuickBooks yet. I can still feel free to make any edits. So if I wanted to remove the FET, anything else, add shipping to this, I can do that. I just have to go up to the top and click save. But if I do go to approve and click save, it will finalize this invoice and you will no longer be able to make any changes to it. And that's how you set up a core part in IM3.